Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to install and remove Google Chrome extensions. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. This Google extension feature will be helping us to enhance the features that are available on the Chrome and all. So it is a great way to add more features to your chroming and internet surfing experiences. So here, in order to add or remove the extensions, you need to first go to this tools and click on the extensions, and here you can see what all extensions are being installed onto your Chrome. So you can check, like if you want to add new extensions, click on this, and you can just see this open Chrome web store. Click on this, and this will be taking you to this Chrome web store, from where you can install your extensions. You can search for different extensions like by the categories, like for different categories you can search them. And you can let's say that I want to install any of this extension, let's say Google Translate. Click on this, and you need to click on add to Chrome and add extension, so it will be installed first, and after it is installed it is good to go, so it is directly added to the extension. So here you can see that Google Translate has been added to the Chrome, and you can just use this by clicking on this icon. Now let's get back here, and let's reload, and now we can see that Google Translate has been added to this extensions list. So you can see details about each of the extension, what it is about and all the descriptions. And you can disable a extension for certain period of time by using this. Just disable or enable some particular extension for temporarily, or let's say that you want to permanently remove the extension, you no longer need that particular extension, you can delete it by clicking on this remove option. So it will be asking you to for the reconfirmation, if you want to remove it, click on the remove. Now this is successfully removed. We can go back and see that there is no such extension that we have removed which is existing before. And in this way you can remove or add extensions to your Chrome very simply. So you can add it by going to the Chrome web store, and you can delete it by just clicking on this button, that is remove button. You can even set the shortcuts. You can just click on the keyboard shortcuts, and you can set the shortcuts for each of the extension. So as of now it is not set, but you can set the shortcut which you want to use to activate particular extension. And this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.